Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the show, the Rideshare Hub. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, we're talking about this new scam that Uber drivers are facing. So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, watch out for this new scam because passengers are doing drivers dirty and other hackers too are hacking Uber drivers and Lyft drivers. So before I get started, I want to tell you all about Buckle Up Insurance. It's a new insurance company specifically for gig workers, okay? This will replace your old auto insurance and in a lot of cases will be better and could potentially save you tons of money. So check out the link below, and when you use my link right now, they're gonna give you $20 Visa gift card just for getting a free quote, literally completely free. And you get a $5 gift card too for just becoming a member on their website. They're awesome. Buckle up, check them out down below, and let's get started. Here are 5 Uber scams that everyone should be aware of. Uber scams and other tricks, how they work. This is an article that was just published by scamdetector.com. Uber is one of the most popular transportation platforms in the world. Blah, 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 blah. Let's take a look at all the scams, weaknesses, and tricks that revolve around this taxi tech company. Number 1, the fake Uber app. Wow, did you realize there's actually a fake Uber app? The bogus Uber app targets Android users using the fake Android.fakeapp malware. This is how it works. So if you have an Android, this is how it works. After download, the phony application launch, because we all know that it's way easier to get an app in the Android store than it is on the Apple store. Apple store, if you've ever tried to build a website for the Apple store, they have so many tests and regulations you have to go through. I used to work for a company, we worked on the Apple store, and it was so much harder for updates. It was called Rider. I don't know if you guys remember. It was an old rideshare company, and it was so hard to get past the regulations that Apple had. Like every time we wanted to update our app, it was like saying prayers daily, like, come on, please get approved. And then they would deny us, and then anyways. But listen to this. So there's a fake app on the Android that apparently once the user tries to log in with their ID and password, the malware launches the real Uber app and produces no cause for suspicion. So they basically take your password. So make sure you don't have that downloaded. Go through your phone right now and make sure you only have one Uber app. Literally type in Uber and you'd be surprised how many of you guys might have 2 Uber apps. Okay, number 2, that's only for Android users, okay? Number 2 is unrequested Uber upgrade. Let's say it's a big night for you, a birthday, private event, or simple gathering with friends. You order an UberX for you and 3 buddies. The vehicle shows up and it's a great clean Toyota that gets you where you plan to go. However, the next day you get a notification from Uber which comes with bad news. It says that due to the number of people in your group, your ride was upgraded to an Uber XL. That means your fare is now almost double. This trick is a bit harder to avoid, but not impossible. Here's why. You can be charged more if your group, this is for riders, exceeds the capacity of the vehicle class. This measure was implemented by Uber to prevent, say, 5 people with 10 traveling bags from ordering a compact car and hoping they're getting away with it. However, some greedy drivers abuse this feature. If it happens to you, like in the case mentioned above, challenge the upgrade and explain the situation. So, drivers who drive XL cars, a lot of times are lying about the number of people getting into their car. They might say, oh yeah, I had 5 passengers instead of 4. Just to try to make a couple extra bucks because of inflation and sleepy Joe Biden. Yeah, you don't want to be one of those drivers trying to scam passengers. I know there are some drivers out there too who do the fake throw up scam. They say, oh, my passenger threw up in my car, and they'll just pour water on their seat and say it's throw up, trying to charge the passenger $100. Yeah, that's called stealing, okay? You don't want to do that. Canceling your ride. This scam happens around places where drivers wait on short-term parking areas with their app on. Say you're in an airport and call a ride. This vehicle seems to be right there. However, it doesn't move. 6 minutes later, it's still there. You decide to call and see what's going on. Shortly thereafter, you get a text message from the driver saying, I'll be there in 2 minutes. However, 3 to 4 minutes later, no car shows up. This is a rideshare driver scam. So drivers, don't do this. Another scam. This is a big scam that passengers are doing. I just saw this on TikTok. It's trending right now. On airports, a lot of airport passengers, instead of requesting the ride from the airport, what they do is they walk down the street or go across the street and they order a ride. Now, I don't know if that's technically illegal. I don't see why it's illegal, but it's basically it's basically an airport pickup, but it's gonna be way cheaper and you're gonna get way less money. So if you get a ride request from, let's say, you know, across the street from the airport in a random parking lot, just know that you're probably gonna get paid a lot less because that fare is gonna be a lot cheaper for the passenger. Yeah, the fake cleaning fee. It's Saturday night and you and your party had an amazing time out. What you thought was a $35 ride happens to be $150 thanks to it. So these are mostly for passengers from drivers, but this other one, this is really important. If you get a ride as a driver from a passenger and on your way to pickup, you get a phone call from somebody pretending to be Uber and they're saying, oh hey, you know, we want to give you a bonus on this ride. Just confirm with me your password. Do not do that ever, okay? Those are hackers, scammers. They're not even real passengers. They're gonna cancel the ride as soon as you give them that info. They're gonna log in and steal all your money, okay? So definitely watch out for that one. That's the big new one that a lot of people are facing. Anyways, those are the scams. 5 scams to watch out for as rideshare drivers or passengers. Thank you for watching. Again, if you're an Uber or a Lyft driver or a delivery driver and you want to be eligible for that new insurance program that could save you tons of money, check out the link below. And thanks for watching. Bye now.